My name's Kevin Smith. I'm located in Shelbyville, Kentucky. We raise mainly corn, soybeans. We'd been trying to find what we thought's a perfect tillage tool that was versatile, that could do a lot of different sort of tillage practices. And when they came out with the Halo VRT, we used it that summer in a demonstration. We said, hey, we think we have found the tillage tool that fit our needs. If we're wanting to go shallow, if we need to go a little bit deeper. And with that, so later on that year, I was able to run one of these at the Farm Progress Show in the tillage demonstration. And from that day on, I had one ordered to come in the fall of 23. Where we're at in central Kentucky, our ground is rolling. So the machine I had before, if we go too deep, then we have a trouble that we can get erosion. But with this, it's done a better seed bed at the shallow depth that we could use. And even if we want to go deeper, what we've seen with the hydraulic downforce, on the rolling basket, it anchors that residue and sort of puts that ground where it firms it, that it's there. And we haven't had none of that problem. And that's the thing here that we've had to watch in Kentucky, because they push a lot of no-till, in which we do some no-till, but we're using this mainly just to be doing the seed beds where we're planting soybeans behind the corn. The tillage tool that we had before, you're having to climb over, get to all the gangs and different stuff like this, where this is just easy to maintain and grease. And it's, gosh, I'd say on trying to maintenance it and do the greasing, I guarantee we more than cut that time in half that we had to do on the competitor's machine. I guess one of the other things that what we like here where I'm located in Kentucky, we've got a lot of very narrow rows. And the tillage tool that I had before, it was very, very hard getting down the road. And we absolutely love it on transport and be able to do the different things that we're able to do with this machine.